Ever opened a closet that looks like total chaos? Shirts mixed with pants, shoes scattered everywhere, nothing organized. Now imagine trying to find your favorite shirt in that mess. Frustrating, right? Well, that's exactly the problem clustering solves, but for data. So what exactly is clustering? Clustering is a way for AI to group similar things together automatically, without anyone telling it what the categories should be. Think of it like sorting your closet by type, but nobody hands you labels first. You just look at the items and realize, oh, these are all shirts, these are all pants. The AI does the same thing with data. It looks for similarities and groups things together on its own. Here's how it actually works step by step. Step 1, the AI picks a few random starting points, let's call them anchors. Step 2, every item in the closet joins, whichever anchor it's closest to. Step 3, the AI recalculates. It finds the true center of each new group based on everything that joined it. Step 4, it repeats, regroup, recalculate, until the groups stop changing. That's the whole algorithm. Simple, right? Let's see this with real data on a graph. Here we have a bunch of scattered points, no visible groups, just random dots. Now watch. The algorithm places 3 random centroids. These are our anchor points. Every point gets colored based on which centroid it's closest to. See how they're forming groups already. Now here's the magic. The centroids move to the true center of their group. And after a few rounds of this, 3 crystal clear clusters, perfectly organized. This is K-means clustering in action. So where is this actually used? First, customer segmentation. Companies group shoppers by buying habits, budget shoppers, luxury shoppers, bulk buyers, all discovered automatically. Second, image compression. Clustering groups similar pixel colors together, reducing millions of colors down to just a few. Third, music recommendations. Streaming apps group songs with similar features, so when you like one song, it knows what else you'll enjoy. Clustering is everywhere. You're probably interacting with it every single day. So here's what we've learned. Clustering groups similar data together automatically, no labels needed, the AI finds the patterns itself. K-means specifically works using centroids that adjust over time. Assign, recalculate, repeat. And it's used everywhere, from shopping recommendations to image compression to music suggestions. It's one of the most practical and widely used AI techniques out there. Now you understand K-means clustering, one of the simplest yet most powerful tools in machine learning. If this helped, hit subscribe for more ML concepts explained simply. Thanks for watching.